Oh, hello guys. Kaka-finish lang ng ano. Ano nga yun? Pag-salvo.
Perform.
Yes. We're here at Dipolog City. Finished. And I decided to go live kasi hindi ko nasabi kanina na hindi ko nasabi yung concert ko. Shucks! I forgot, y'all. But now that I'm here to remember, ayun, nag-live ako tuloy kasi ang unsatisfying. It's so unsatisfying. Hindi ko nasabi. We have a what? Concert. We have a concert this June 28. And guys, sold out na ang ano nga yan? Sorry, sakit ng ulo ko. Na-sold out from Dipolog. Hi! Sa mga taga Dipolog City, andito ako right now, bro. Anyway, I would like to thank the people that bought SVIP and regular seats. It's officially sold out. Kaya meron pa namang VIP VIP tickets that are still available. Kaya really guys, I would be so happy to see you guys there. It's a concert because it's my very first album launch, because it's also my very first album. Kaya shucks. Anyway, nag-live ako kasi di ko nasabi kanina sa stage. Sayang di ko nasabi. But kanina kasi I was singing sa for the festival, tapos di ko nasabi. Di ako nakapag-promote. Pero okay lang because libre naman mag-live. Kaya hello everyone to BBS Sky. Yes, BBS Sky. At andito pa din ako sa Dipolog. Kakakanta? I just sang kanina. Tas, yes, congratulations, Reina and Hershey. Manakagkanta, wala na sunod. Wala no, sorry. Wala na Umana guys. It's done. Pero, if you want more singing, more hep hoorays, and more dancing, guys, you should go to Sky's the Limit album launch this June 28th. June 28th. The tickets are still available on SM Tickets. So if you guys want to see me and a few of our guests, and gusto nyong maki-party and like, just vibe with me, edi pumunta din kayo guys. I will say that I don't know if I can say it. Actually, I'm not saying na lang. Pero alam kong mag-e-enjoy kayo because that's just how it is. And my dress today is giving. Someone told me to take a photo of myself wearing this dress, pero ayoko. Because kaya nag-live na lang ako para kayo na mag-screenshot. 3 poses daw. Ay, nabuang na. Hello, are you in Dipolog right now? Yes po. Happy birthday! Ha? Dili pa na ako birthday, te. It's not my birthday yet. May nag-happy birthday sa akin. It's not my birthday yet, pero thank you so much. Yes, my concert is June 28. So, if gusto mo mo-add to, yes! Ayun. Ano ba mag-pin? So hindi pa nakabili ng tickets, guys, what are you waiting for? It's available on SM Tickets. You guys can get. I'm sure wala ng SVIP at tsaka regular. Pero meron pang VIP. Grabe, guys. Shout out core team. Shout out sa mga nagtulong-tulong para shout out sa mga nagtulong-tulong para makakuha ng tickets for my album launch. Shout out core team, Kaimates, the homies, the Kyrenites, and the casual people lang na nagpassing by, tas parang ganun, oh my god, si Kai, bili tayo, you know? Thank you to everyone that bought. Mapa-fan man kayo o hindi, sa mga jowa dyan na napilitan lang para mo go with your girlfriends and boyfriends na pumunta sa album launch ko. Thank you so much. Kasi, you know, napilitan talaga kayo pumunta with your lovely, lovely, lovely lovers. Kuy Kai, wag ganyan. Pansin ako, 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done na. Ohio. Invite Kuya Bensoy? Where? Where's Kuya Bensoy? He's not even live. Bro, Kuya Bensoy is not here. Pero bago ko lang nakita si Kuya Bensoy actually. What's your lippy? The usual kong ginagamit. Yung usual ko na ginagamit is I don't know what it is. I'm not sure if I can do that, but di ka namamansin? Anong sinasabi mo? Nagpapansin po ako, no? I'm right here. Pansining all of you guys. Naka-Dipolog. Yes! I'm at Dipolog right now. I just had the performance kanina and the crowd was beautiful. Love the crowd. Yan ang mga type ko na crowd na ipang hep-hep hooray. Kasi yung ibang crowd. What do you call that? Kapag i-hep-hep hooray ko sila, ayaw nila makipag-interact. So, parang hard. It's a tough crowd. Kaya favorite na favorite ko talaga yung mga crowd na nag-hep-hep hooray. You know what I mean? Kasi, shucks. Ang fun kaya. Fun. Like, believe it or not, bro, I'm literally just like having fun with the people in the audience. Kaya, ayun. Yes, and aside from coming to my, what do you call that? Aside from my album launch, which is this June 28th, paparating na din ang concert and album launch nila Rain and Ate Colette. Like, it's so near na talaga. I think Rain's is May 30, tsaka yung kay Ate Colette is June 1. I'm not sure ha, pero their album launch is fast upcoming. Oh my gosh. Kaya, yeah, you guys have to support them as well. Kasi, ang lapit na ng kay Rain, bro. May 30 ata. Are they outside? How did they know?
Ewan ko, nagulat ka.
Guys, wala ako dito, bro. Nasa Cebu. How did they know? Well, I did not say my location, huh? I know I'm in Dipolog City, but I did not say my location. Pero, anyway, fast approaching na ang album launch ni Rain and Ate Colette. So guys, what are you waiting for? They're also great singers, performers. Syempre, si Rain na yan, si Ate Colette na yan. Grabe. Tapos, si Fiang naman, this June, if I'm not mistaken, June 22, I think. I'm not sure, pero June 22, si Fiang. Forever Fiang. Forever Fiang. Shucks. Pretty. So witty, no? Witty ng mga, Meteor Rain, Forever Fiang, Call Me Colette. Bakit nga ba Call Me Colette? Last night, you called on accident. Sky's the limit. Yes, sky's the limit, guys. June 28th, be there. Make sure. Kasi, wala ng SVIP tsaka regular. So, guys, if you want to sing, okay, kakanta ako, guys. If kakanta ako, you guys will be there for my birthday. Ano? Sinasabi ko? If kakanta ako, you guys will be there for my album launch. Saan ba gaganapin? Sa Skydome po. Sa EDSA yun, di ba? Yung Skydome.
North EDSA.
North EDSA. Skydome. Kaya, year. It will be in EDSA Skydome. Ano? Pa-shout out po. Shout out sa lahat ng nagpapa-shout out. Jersey number mo kay 12. Guys, I'm so excited talaga to see you guys sa June 28th. Kasi remember when Jaren had his concert? I saw you guys and yung mga fans ni Jaren. Lahat. Tapos they have like their each kulay. It was so nakaka-proud na parang, aww. Nakaka-proud lang. So imagine that. I'm excited to see what Rain's launch is gonna look like, what the crowd is gonna look like for them, for Ate Colette, ano kaya yung crowd sa concerts nila, sa concert ni Siang, sa concert ko, you know? It's just so exciting. What's your zodiac sign? Sagittarius. I'm so broke, Kai. Oh, okay lang yan, ate. Magpaano ka na lang. Magpalibre ka na lang sa ano. May nagpapaano eh. Sa mga broke dyan, tsaka hindi makapunta sa album launch ko, as much as I want you guys to be there, it's alright. Huwag niyo na pilitin. If walang-wala talaga kayo, okay lang. Ipangkain niyo na lang yan. And I'm on live. But you're not seen. You know what? Kanina ba? I did not mention my ano. I did not mention. I didn't mention the
location.
No. I didn't mention the concert. I forgot. It's okay though. Kasi that's why I went live so that I wouldn't feel like I lacked something. So ayun, sa mga broke at walang-wala talaga, okay lang yan. Meron naman tayong TikTok lives. At kumakanta naman ako sa TikTok lives ko. Kaya, let's just support through streaming na lang. If kaya. Sa mga walang-wala talaga, okay lang. Huwag nilang pilitin. Pero, obviously, I would love to see you guys there. Nagbenta na ng... what do you mean? Nagbenta na kayo ng... Nagbenta na daw sila ng... Kidney. Nako.
Huwag na lang kayo manood.
Huwag na lang kayo manood. Nagbenta pa sila ng kidney. Yeah. Pero, ayun nga, if di nga kaya guys, okay lang. Okay lang. Nagla-live naman ako on TikTok. Kumakanta naman ako dito. Although you're not gonna get the full experience, it's okay, huwag nyo na pilitin. Ano na lang, support na lang tayo in different ways. Pero sa mga pupunta sa concert, bro, see y'all there. Hopefully you guys will have so much fun. Kahit wala pa. Pero, you know, sinong guests mo, Kai? I'm actually contacting Bruno Mars, Ariana Grande, Lady Gaga, kapag, you know, maybe they're free this June 28th. Taylor Swift, Taylor Swift. You guys are so funny. Funny kayo. You know, just seeing if they're free, you know. Sino pa? Justin Bieber. Yes, si Justin Bieber. Sino pa? Kinsa pa, guys? Who do you want to see? My God. Billie Eilish. Jungkook. If Jungkook is available, I idolize us. Why not? Why not? You know? Si Mingyu, BTS, Jennie Kim, Harry Styles. Libreng mangarap, guys. Libreng mangarap. Daniel Caesar, yes. Beanie. Olivia Rodrigo, yes. Blackpink. Sige, pagsabayan natin ang BTS tsaka Blackpink. LeBron James! Yes! Anong gagawin ni LeBron doon? I don't know, pero diba, if you love him, let's go! LeBron James. Oh my god. Sorry. And hypen. ABBA. Kahit nag-disband na sila, ABBA. Sabrina, of course, Sabrina Carpenter is very welcome to guest. Pero guys, you know, libreng mangarap. So, we see those big stars. Okay lang. Okay lang. Malay mo, one of them will actually like...
Malay nila Malaysia.
Malay mo, they actually like come out of nowhere, you know? Diba? Kakanta ako. Please welcome LeBron James. What's he gonna do there? Ewan ko. I don't know. But I don't care. Because that's LeBron James. LeBron James. LeBron James. Sino pa? Sino gusto niyo Sino gusto niyo i-guess? Si Kai Soto. Si Kai Soto, guys. Anong gagawin niya dun? Sa concert? I don't know. But if that's what you want, pwede. Stephen Curry. Shucks. Si Pokwang. Let's see if she's andito lang. Pwede if they're available. You know what I mean? Wala naman yun sa akin eh. Nasa kanila yun. Nasa kanila yun. If gusto nilang pumunta. You know? If gusto nilang, come on! You're welcome. Si Kuya? What happened, Bella? Why are you crying again? I know. Vampire, right? Vampire were fake to me. Si Katik. Si Zeke. Huwag mo sama dito si Zeke, boy. Anong gagawin na dun? Anyway, as I said, Zeke na noon. Nakita mo gana ako si Zeke. As I said, June 28th is the date. So if you haven't had yet, wala pa kayong tickets. Kuha na kayo tickets, bruh. SM tickets. June 28 pa. Kaya, ayun, punta kayo if you can. If malayo kayo, pero yun nyo kaya, okay lang. Basta, feel ko pa rin yung support. And, oo nga pala, when is Dubai again? June 1. Mga walang pera. Sa mga walang pera po, na di kaya pumunta sa
Hindi kaya konti kasi pupunta ng Dubai. Lakas ng trip mo.
Hindi, wala daw pera. Wala kayong pera pang concert, may pera kayo pang Dubai. Grabe ng mindset niya. Pero, if wala kayong pera for both, okay lang yan.
Wala bang entrance dun, kuya?
Maki-stream ka na lang po.
Aeroplano.
Maki-stream ka na lang. Yeah. So, ayun na guys. It's already 10. You know what time it is. I would just wanna remind everybody to just wanna remind everybody na June 28th, sky's the limit. You can get VIP concert, like VIP tickets. That's through SM Tickets. Available pa yan, kaya get the chance to get some tickets, and sana magkita tayo doon, and support. Let's support each other. Huwag tayo mag-away-away. Okay? Support lang. Love, love. That's right. That's right. Love, love. Bye-bye. Bye-bye na guys. Kaon na ta. And let's go to sleep. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye-bye, 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 bye-bye. Shout out to everyone that came here. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody. Teeny near.